What's going on, everybody? We're back at it again with another video. Wifey's working today, so it's me and the boy riding solo. We're out running a couple errands. Weather's kind of crappy right now, actually. It's supposed to clear up. My parents are going to be on their way shortly. They're going to jump in the truck with us. We're going to head to the property, meet my father-in-law up there. Guys, we got something super special happening up there today. It is finally starting to happen. I can't wait to show you guys what we got going on.
Okay, so obviously the weather has cleared up. Actually, it's going to do a really nice day. It's a little bit hot. But we're up here on the property, and we have officially broken ground. They started breaking ground this morning. This is super cool. Y'all, it is so gratifying to finally see stuff happening in the ground. All right, so we're looking at the front of the house, and for those of you paying attention, the location of the house is a little bit different from the last time we showed it on video. The reason for that is we had our property lines change a little bit. We actually have 2 plots of land up here, and that stake right there is the property line for dividing our 2 plats. Originally, we thought the plat line was right here where this permit box is. So at a minimum, we have to be 20 foot away from that line for our exterior wall. So that put our house about 60 or so feet away from it. So what we decided to do is scoot the house over about 32 feet, and then that leaves about 30 foot on that side of the house for a garage. That'll be later on, but we want to actually prep for that. So we are, in fact, a little bit farther over to the technically south, I think, over there. Alrighty, so the guys are pretty much done for the day. Our builder already took off, but they got a majority of this done. It's all pretty much formed. The well house is pretty much formed, ready to go. Get the rest of this. And they broke ground this morning. These guys are moving quick. I'm really impressed. This is so exciting, guys. It's very, very surreal, that's for sure. But I'm going to be up here pretty much every week when I can to get progress. I think we're planning on pouring concrete here in 2 weeks, I think. The week after next, I believe. You know, we're looking like being done in March. We'll see. Hopefully sooner, but, you know, it's out of my hands right now. It's kind of out of the builders, to be honest, too. It just depends on materials and back orders and scheduling. But, you know, that's construction. That's the nature of the beast. But it's getting really tired, so we're going to wrap up and get out of here. But I'm excited to actually have something in the ground more than stakes. The forms are dug pretty much. We're almost ready for concrete. This thing's going to start coming along pretty quick. So, alrighty, so we're back up at the property. It's actually been a couple weeks since they did the footings. We've had rain pretty much every day, so progress has slowed down a little bit. But I wanted to give you guys some updates. So the footings weren't the only thing in the video. So they came in and did some plumbing last week. I wasn't able to get up here. So here is the well house. They're going to have to come in, like I've said in other videos, and cut that off a little bit shorter. Our footings, you'll see over there too, are full of water still. We had a massive squall line that came in last night, but we have 2 pipes in here I believe one is for water, one is for electricity, and the water one, I believe they're going to put another sleeve in or something, obviously because it has to be watertight. But this is the well house. They were supposed to come up today for the well house and the foundation to get the slab ready to go, because they're going to schedule, because we're scheduled to pour concrete next week, beginning of next week. It's Wednesday, so they may still try to get up here, but we'll see. But this is the well house. Already got water coming from the well house over to the house, which we'll see here in a couple seconds. All right, so here's the house, and like I said, these footings are chock full of water. Not much drainage up here, but look at all this stuff that's going on. You got water, you got septic, you got electricity, I believe. This is great. This is fantastic. So we're gonna start over here at the side door. So this is where the laundry is gonna be. And actually here you can see this comes out, and you can see right here, here's the water line trenching to the well house. I don't know how I didn't notice that before, but that's what that is. We're coming in. Our mud sink is gonna go here. We're gonna have a freestanding metal or plastic mud sink for like a dog washing sink or something like that. Or when I was growing up, we would have what we called spit baths. We would go in there if we were all nasty and dirty, they'd clean us up. Washer and dryer next to that. Here's the other side of that. And here is where our hot water heater is, and I believe our HVAC. And here is gonna be our master bathroom. This is gonna be our shower here, knobs and stuff on this wall. It's a kind of a custom shower, Dealy Whopper, toilet, vanity. We're gonna have pocket door here and here going into our master bedroom. That way we can walk straight through if we come from outside, just shoot through the laundry into the bathroom or in our master bedroom. So over here, this is our kitchen sink and or dishwasher, I believe both. Here's gonna be our island, I'm pretty sure. I'm not exactly sure why there's water here, but we'll see. I haven't talked to the builder about that yet, but our island's here. Oven and fridge are there. And then over here is the guest bathroom. We're gonna have a room here and here. Toilet, sink, shower. Bath, shower slash bath. Very, very cool. Excited to see this progress. Hopefully I'll be able to be up here when they pour concrete, but we'll see. Again, look at this view. Grass is actually getting tall, so here in about a month we may get another cut of hay. We'll see. And then back out here, I believe this is going to tie into our septic, which is going to go down the hill there. But this is the back porch. Obviously it's 8 foot wide, 50 foot long, the whole width of the house. And then up front, the porch is going to go full width as well, but that's only 6 feet deep. And I believe both of these porches are going to have roofs. Obviously, well, it will have roofs. They'll be slanted, but I believe there'll be ceilings. That's what we got so far. They're chugging along, weather permitting. Obviously, this needs to dry out. Look at all this slate. Big old chunks. We're going to do what we can to save a lot of this. There's a big one over here somewhere. And camera doesn't do this justice, but it goes there to there. That's probably a foot wide by probably 3 feet long. Big old chunks. So that's what we got so far, guys. Again, you guys that have been watching from the beginning, we really appreciate you. We really do. If you like what you guys see, considering liking, subscribing. That would be pretty cool. Also, we don't know really what we're doing. We are relying a lot on our builder. Any suggestions you guys have, those you guys have done this before, we're starting from ground zero, right? So any suggestions, good, bad, whatever, would be really appreciated. So next video hopefully will be pouring concrete or the aftermath. So we'll see where we go from there. And thanks for joining us. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video.